Determine mean value of data where the highest number of continuous cond equals true. I have a pandas data frame with a data and condition column. I need the mean value of the data column of the rows with the highest number of continuous true objects in cond. I was not able to find a vectorized solution with a group B or pivot method. So I wrote a func that loops the rows. Unfortunately, this takes about an hour for 1 million lines, which is way too long. Unfortunately, the @JIT decoration does not reduce the duration measurably. The data I want to analyze is from a monitoring project over 1 year, and I have every 3 hours a data frame with 1 million rows. Thus, about 3,000 such files. An efficient solution would be very important. I am also very grateful for a solution in numpy.
Here's a numpy-based approach. Runtime test. Approaches as functions. Timings.
Using the approach from calculating the number of specific consecutive equal values in a vectorized way in pandas. Indexing by a callable requires 0.18.0. For earlier versions, you can do how it works. The first part, dfcon, not equal dfcon, .shift returns a boolean array. So the value is false whenever the row is the same as the above. That means that if you take the cumulative sum, these rows, consecutive ones, will have the same number. Since group B accepts any series to group on, it is not necessary to pass a column, you can pass an arbitrary list. This can be used to group the results. Add count, mean, part just gives the respective counts and means for each group, and at the end it selects the one with the highest count. Note that this would group consecutive falses together, too. If you want to only consider consecutive trues, you can change the grouping series too. Since we want falses when the condition is true, the condition became not equal to the row below or not true. So the original line would change too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.